Welcome back to this channel. Today we are learning about some basic things, numbers, facts and multiples. Okay. If you like this video, please like this video, share to these friends and subscribe my channel Licky Math Teacher. Okay. So let us start this video. You know about numbers, right? But do you know about some this type of numbers? Now you will be knowing about these numbers. Okay. What is this natural number? What is this whole number? What is this integer? What is this rational numbers? What are these irrational numbers? You you will be learning these numbers, these types of numbers, these two numbers in sixth standard. Introduction part about sixth and seventh. This in seventh and eighth. This about these numbers in ninth. Okay, these natural numbers and whole numbers we will be learning in sixth standard. These two numbers are very easy. Integers, you are in learning about integers in sixth and seventh standard. You are learning rational numbers in seventh and eighth standard. You are learning irrational numbers in ninth standard. Okay, ninth and 10th. All these numbers, okay, all these numbers is needed for your lifetime. All these five numbers are needed for counting purpose, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and all. Okay, so what is these natural numbers? Natural numbers are those which starts from 1 and continues infinitely. Natural numbers are those which starts from 1. Natural numbers starts from 1. Okay, and a symbol is equal to n. Natural number symbol is n. Whole numbers are those which starts from 0 and continues infinitely. Symbol W. Okay, whole numbers are those which starts from 0. Here 1, here extra 1 added, 0. Means from here in natural numbers, the numbers starts from 1. There is no 0. But here 0 is added. That's it. Integers. The collection of positive and negative numbers is called are called integers. Symbol Z. The collection of integers, wait a minute. The collection of positive and negative numbers is called integers. Here in natural numbers start from 1 and continues infinitely. Now in whole number 0 is added and continues from there. But in here integers, along with 0, these negative integers are negative numbers. But in integers, we see that there are positive and negative numbers. See there, along with 0. In rational numbers, the definition is like this. Definition is as follows. The numbers which are in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Symbol Q. Now here in rational numbers, they are in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. Q should not be, the denominator should not be equal to 0. In 6th, have you learnt about rational numbers? I hope you have learnt. In 6th, have you learnt? In 6th, you have learnt about fractions, I think. Am I right? Yes. I hope you have learnt about fractions. The same way, but in rational numbers, the difference is that there is a minus sign in that. For example, minus 3 by 2, minus 7 by 9, etc. What I wrote here is positive rational numbers, but here I wrote is negative rational numbers. Okay, irrational number is a complete opposite in rational numbers. The number which are not in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0 is called irrational numbers. Irrational numbers is that the numbers which are not in the form of P by Q. I am mentioning the word not because in rational numbers there is in the form of P by Q, but whereas in irrational numbers there is no. Okay, in examples, where we look out in the examples, root 2, root 3, root 5, pi, etc. These are all the examples of irrational numbers. These are all about the explanation about numbers, the types of numbers. Okay, I hope you have understood this part, and we are learning about factors and multiples now, and also about prime numbers and composite numbers, which comes under factors and multiples. Now we are learning about factors, multiples, and also primes, composite numbers. Okay, factors are those when the number is divided which divides the number given number. Okay, given number without leaving any reminder. Okay, factors are those when the number for example 6 is given, is divided, the number which divides a given number without leaving any reminder is called the factor. Factors of 6 are 2, 3. Did it left any reminder? No, right? So the factors of 6 is 2 and 3. Like that way we need to write. Example, factors of 6 is 2, 3. Like this way. 1, 2, 3 and 6. Okay, multiples in the sense the number is multiplied to the given number is called the multiples. The definition is not right. When I explain, you get the meaning of the multiples. So 2 into 3 is 6, right? 6 is the multiple of 2. 6 is the multiple of 2 means the number which is multiplied to the another number, the product we get is called the multiple. Okay, when the number is multiplied to the another number and the given number is multiplied to the another number, the product obtained is called the multiples of the number. Remember that point, that the number of factors may not be infinite, but multiples may be infinite. Means 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. For 2, so many multiples are there. Means there are no stop for the multiples of 2. Here there is a stop. Okay, common factor, a pair of number which have the same factor is called common factor. Of that two numbers. A pair of number which have a same factor is called common factor of that two numbers. For example, 9, 12. In that 9 and 12, which is common, you can identify factors. For 9, the factors are 3, 1. I think, right? Yes. In 12, there is 3, 4. Which is common now? Here also 3, here also 3, right? So, common factor is 3 in 9 and 12. This is an example for that. In common multiples, a pair of number which have same multiple is called common multiple of that two numbers. Listen it carefully. The number pair of numbers which have same multiple is called common multiple of that numbers. Example 6 2s are 12, 3 4s are 12. For both 2, 3, 2 and 3, the common multiple is 12, right? Because 3 4s are 12, 6 2s are 12. When we multiply 2 into 3 into 2, we get 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So common multiple is in that way. Prime number. It is easy to understand that primes are those where the factors have 1 or the number itself. Example 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. In these numbers, the factors are 1 or the number itself. Means 2, 2 ones are 2. In that, factors are 1 and 2. 1 and the number itself. Even in 3, 1 and 3. 1, 4, 5, 1, 7, like this way. Composite numbers are those where the factors have more than 2. Example 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, etc. Okay. One point you remember that in prime number, all the odd numbers except 2. Most of the odd numbers except 2 are prime numbers. Most of the odd numbers, okay, except 2 are prime numbers. And most of the even numbers are composite numbers. Okay, that you keep it in mind. So I will end up this class. If you like this class, please like the video, share this video to your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Okay, and comment. Now I will end up this class. So I hope this class is understandable to you. Thank you and all.